When you woke up one day and had a surprise when you looked down, this video is for you. At the time, you may think it was something nice and that the feeling is good, but stay until the end of the video to find out, and subscribe to the channel. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn whether ejaculating while sleeping is bad for you. Nocturnal pollution is considered normal and happens during the REM phase of sleep, a period when nervous activity is more intense. It can result in excitement and ejaculation. It is very common in adolescents and young adults, especially for those who do not yet have an active sex life or are at high testosterone levels. However, in cases where adults go a long time without intimate relations or are very conservative, dreams can be manifestations of the unconscious. Hidden desires and fantasies tend to appear and cause nocturnal pollution. Frequent episodes of involuntary sperm discharge or lubrication during sleep can be harmful to health because in some cases they can result in depression, poor concentration, lack of intimate appetite, premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and increased urge to urinate. These symptoms directly interfere with a person's quality of life as soon as they become constant. Before going on to the next, please leave your like. And then, did you? So now let's talk about what to do in this case. To avoid the risks mentioned above, we recommend increasing intimate activity, as this can help reduce the number of episodes. We also recommend that you take supplements and get to know yourself better to avoid or eliminate any problems that may arise. We have come to the end of another video. If you are having problems related to your intimacy, click now on the first link in the comments and I guarantee you will come out with the solution. Subscribe to the channel, we have new videos every day, and comment here below what you think. Leave the like and see you in the next video.